Hi, so today I am going to be putting the Bosch GWX 18 volt 15 SC grinder to a test. Here I've got a section of Boeing 747 fuselage, aluminium construction, it's 1 inch thick in places. Now, this is going to be a tough test for this grinder. Usually angle grinders would really struggle with this because the aluminium expands as you're cutting it, grips the blade and puts a load of stress on the motors. However, I'm confident that this one's going to do all right because of the technology that goes into this. It's got the 3 speeds, it's got the X-lock system, so even if the blade snaps, I can replace it in seconds and carry on where I left off. So I've marked out on here a straight cut line and I'm going to see just how well this grinder cuts through this aluminium skin of this old airliner. Let's give it a go. You can see the section there is way over ½ inch thick, and that has just gone through there with no effort at all. What a great piece of kit. It's very well weighted, very, very precise. Well done, Bosch. Mega.